welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous beauty right here, and honey and baby, she is absolutely fabulous. If you're interested in seeing just how easy it was to put this unit on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. Alright y'all, so welcome back to another video. We are about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Y'all see it? Don't act like y'all don't see it. Y'all see this gorgeousness. These curls looks absolutely amazing coming right out of the box. The color is fabulous, honey. Absolutely fabulous. So this shouldn't take us too long to put on, so we're gonna go ahead and do so.
And I've been grinding, multiplying.
Alright. So let's get her situated. Look at there. Okay, first off, these curls look amazing. I'm just finger combing it, but they look really good so far. So this is the bang. This unit does fit ear to ear on my head as well, but we're gonna pull it back some so the bangs is not all in my eyes. And y'all see that parting space? That look like scalp, baby. All right, first we're going to move these hair out the way so we can get into this lace that's underneath. Let's get into this lace. All right, so we're just gonna clip this hair back. Right, and I'm just gonna get my wet stick so we can get the hair out of the way so we can cut
And live my life off screen.
Alright y'all, so this is the parting space. Like, honey, this looks amazing. So next we're going to go ahead and cut the lace.
Don't take it personal. We just building intimacy.
There you go, y'all. Y'all see that? Yo, this lace is amazing. This lace is amazing. So you do have the option to wear it off your face as well if you choose to. But this looks really good. Let's see. Because I see a little, can we blend this in more? That looks good. Cut the little spot over here.
You got the nerve to be on me.
That looks good. I used the SS powder that I had from doing my makeup earlier just to put that on, so you don't need a whole lot, and it actually blended really nice into my skin. Next we're going to get into these curls, honey. Okay, y'all see it. We're going to brush it out. Well, let's finish finger combing it out so we can see how beautiful these curls are.
Taking time out to be.
This looks cute, y'all, and the bangage. So we're gonna brush it. Bangs last. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna curl it up. Do some quick curls, not too fancy.
About me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Alright y'all, so here she is all curled up. I wet stick the top of it because it has a lot of flyaways on this unit, but I was able to tame it. I bumped the bangs so it looks really nice. I pulled it back so it's not all on my eyes. I like it like right above my eyes when I do a bang. Let me show you the side.
Meditating and taking.
So this is the side, and this is the back.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah.
So this dress is absolutely cute. It's a fun unit to wear. You know, I'm not used to wearing bangs, but they're starting to grow on me. So it's really cute. It's something different, but it's like so stylish and edgy and very flirty. This is a very flirty wig as well. Liking it very much. I'm not getting any tangles at all. It's tangle free, not giving no shedding at all. Probably had like a strand or two here or there, not a lot of shedding. I'm able to comb my fingers through it. I'm able to brush through it. I'm able to comb through it with ease. So it's really nice. It did take heat very well to give you that loose curl. I didn't want tight ones, I wanted this loose. So really cute wig. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over some wig caps, a wig grip, a Love Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, a Love Me Hair hair clip, and a Love Me Hair mesh drawstring bag to help store your unit in. Now let's get into the details of this unit. This is a loose wave 5x5 closure lace glueless long wig with the cute bangs that's 100% human hair and face framing. I am wearing this in a blonde highlight color, but you do have the option to get it in a natural black as well. I am wearing the length 18 inches, but you do have the option to get 16 and 20 inches. This unit also can be pre-cut for an additional cost. You have two options of wig caps, the regular or the breathable. With these cute bangs, this unit frames your face so effortlessly. With the classic loose waves, this unit can be worn for any occasion. It is glueless to install, so you can take this unit off daily. With the 5x5 parting space, you do have the option to part it on either side or do a seat part as well. Bangs are a different alternative to wear with your units. With this unit, you can do curtain bangs if you choose to. You can also wear it to the side. You could do layer, wimp, C, or a blunt cut, whatever your heart desire. This unit can get you all the way together. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This unit should last you 1 year or more, depending on how you care for it. The density is 150%. The hairline is pre-bleach. You also get an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. This unit also comes with 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. The lace is a regular HD lace. Like, you cannot tell me this ain't coming out of my scalp, honey, because honey, it's absolutely amazing. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit also can be dyed if you choose to, but honestly, honey, I think it is perfect just the way it is. So this unit is absolutely fabulous and great to have in your wig rotation. So whenever you want to switch it up, honey, make sure you do it with a Love Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over to my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.
I've been in action, been in traction, surplus with niggas lacking, shining light but still be blacking, red lights will stop the action, green to go even when it's slow, higher heights to balance out the lows.